pushing me. Yeah, there is no power. Today we have something interesting. We have C63 AMG non-S, right?
Yes, it's Korean spec.
Korean spec. It is actually from Korea, so you can actually see on the inside. I saw some, like here. Yeah, hope you can see it. So yeah, it's actually from Korea. Quite interesting. I love the interior spec. It's actually nice, like brown interior, brown exterior, and we have very fast M240 with a very slow driver.
No, he's not fast. You are just too slow.
No, you know why? Because you were fast on the straights, but I was pulling away in the corners from you. So
yeah, just because I didn't know where your braking points and everything like that, so I let you a little bit space, you know, to breathe and everything.
wrong excuse. You could have said like, hey, it's TF, we're not racing, we're having fun. But anyway, so we have the M240, you all know it. It has like 340 something horsepower. And what tires are you on?
The back is Federal 595 RS, and in the front Pirelli P0.
With the woman spec rim.
Yes, of course.
Yes. I'm gonna get so cancelled for that comment, but I mean, we're messing with each other anyway.
Wait, here's way better. But here, I removed it with the adding. That's how a woman do this.
You are running also too low tire pressure because your sidewall is gone.
No, it's not too low tire pressure. It's because I'm too fast in the corners. And then I have no
Anyway,
camera.
the main car of the video is the C63. So it has 480 horsepower, but judging by the fact that that car was pulling away from us on the straights, I don't know, power to weight ratio, maybe. Anyway, aside from this spec, we have, oh, is this brownish carbon as well?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
It's stock.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's actually cool. This is very nice. Yeah, yeah, this is very nice. Anyway, we have also endless brake pads on the front and the back as well, I think, or?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah, so-
you break these original and PS4 tires.
Mhm.
Yes, also full new.
Yeah. And that's it. So I really, I had fun. I enjoyed, and definitely we had 2 laps, because for half a lap someone spilled oil on track, literally for half a lap. So we decided to do 2 laps so you could have 2 times half a lap, and then yeah, it was. I hope you're gonna enjoy. So thanks for the lap, and see you next time. Thank you for joining, and yeah, whatever, you'll find everything else on the video. Quick shameless plug before the onboard. We're doing autumn sale on my website nürburgring.com that has Nürburgring licensed products that I have helped to co-develop or design, such as Nürburgring guides, posters, socks, you name it. Use code Misha15 and get 15% discount on all the products that are not discounted already until the end of October. And now let's go for a lap. Great. Welcome on board. Oh, Accord. So, let's see if the Korean spec C63 is as spicy as kimchi. Let's proceed. So, for once, or very few times in my life, I use the flash indicator because we're going for a lap with Vika, and I wanted to let her know that we are actually following her where I'm already on the track. Ooh. Suspension feels like quite on the soft side compared to, of course, it's Mercedes at the end of the day. I mean, we are in the race mode, but the first stock C63 I've driven. Oh man. I mean, she has 340 horsepower, I guess, with the M240, with less weight. like a decat downpipe change. It feels like it wants to, but it's like here, M240 is moving away from us on acceleration. Something is not 100%. Or maybe it's really like that's how stock 480 AMG powers feel. There, she's pulling away. Even speed-wise, we're just like, I mean, okay, we had a bad corner exit there. So either in the wrong gear or not enough power or all the driver excuses. Luckily I have a few thousand examples where I can have a good, I don't know, forced entry or exit. But it's actually quite nice to see that those are like equally matched powered cars on track, because the power to weight ratio is definitely an important thing. Ahead of us is also Golf 7 GTI, I think, or is it an R? Didn't take a closer look. But we're all moving. It's just after 600 plus horsepower cars that I've driven the last 2 laps before this, it feels a bit underpowered. She wants me to follow now. Follow me, but she will be disappointed. I'm on maximum power and it wouldn't. Interesting. It wouldn't downshift. Maybe the gearbox got too hot. Having 300 horsepower. So I mean the Golf GTI is pulling away from us, so something is not healthy. No kimchi here. Not even a seaweed salad, although it's not really Korean, but... Did you know, back in the days when Boosted Boris was existing, he asked Christian von Koenigsegg if Koenigsegg was a dish, what would it be? And Christian von Koenigsegg answered kimchi. That video is still online somewhere, so you can see that. Yellow. Well, hopefully the car can cool down or something, because this is, I mean, temperature-wise for the gearbox, 113, really not bad. Oil is 106, but it feels really like choked. And we're in race mode. I don't know, what the hell? But oh well, at least we're having now equal fun with Vika and the Golf ahead of us. Yeah, it could make sense. I mean, he said the owner said 480 horsepower, but what's the weight of the car? 1800 of a C63? Possibly. Whereas the car behind us, the M240, is like what, 1400? It's quite a big difference. Oh well. But the car ahead of us is then probably what, 300? Maybe 350? because it doesn't look like extremely modified, and then like 1300 kilos. So maybe it makes sense power to weight ratio, but it's still just like, I didn't expect it to be choked this hard. It's a big yellow. So I guess someone spilled an oil spill, and they need to clean everything up. I wouldn't know why else it's all so long. Better be safe than sorry, of course, but I see some unusual trail. Yep, oil on the right. Well, that's unfortunate. I wonder where they stopped. They probably spilled oil like halfway through the track, or car might be on fire. Or is the trail? I see there's something in the middle that I haven't seen before. But usually they also like do full course yellow when it's just like something is on fire and they need to close up completely, because there is no such thing as a red flag. So there is this. Yeah, so it looks like there's an oil spill, because we see some old E36 looking underneath, so I wouldn't be surprised. And then it says, yeah, P140 till P195. Vika. Alright, I hope we have enough battery. We'll find out. Pushing me. Yeah, there is no power. Outrun her on power, we have to outrun her on handling. up on power. Now we're gonna enjoy the yellow flag lap. So I hope this camera is still recording. So I'm gonna say goodbye here because it's yeah, it's oil spill for half a lap. It's the end of the lap. I had lots of fun. Let's worth it. Let's do a carousel picture. Now we're gonna check if this camera really recorded. Oh, it did. Perfect. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed this lap. Just in time. So the inside camera is dead. So you cannot also, the microphone you cannot hear either. So we can see how long the oil spill was. Because now they probably are actually really like covering it in sand. But it's gonna be a long one, judging by the the safety van. Oh wow, so someone went into the safety pocket and then drove out, because that's what it looks like. Oh man. Oh, that's gonna be a big bill for